Suzuki just dropped a bombshell that nobody saw coming. The 2026 RMZ 1050 takes everything we thought we knew about the legendary RMZ lineup and cranks it up to 11. This is Next Gen Reviews, and today we're breaking down Suzuki's most ambitious off-road machine yet. Design. The RMZ 1050 is aggressive from every angle. Suzuki's signature yellow plastics are complemented by sharp, angular bodywork that looks ready to attack any terrain. The frame geometry has been completely redesigned to handle the increased displacement while maintaining that nimble RMZ feel. The bike sits tall with serious ground clearance, and the sculpted fuel tank allows for excellent rider movement. Premium graphics and attention to detail show this isn't just a concept, it's a serious performance machine. Performance. Here's where things get wild. The 1050cc liquid-cooled engine delivers explosive power that redefines what an off-road bike can do. Suzuki has somehow managed to keep the power band controllable despite the massive displacement. The updated suspension system features fully adjustable components front and rear, soaking up everything from small chop to big hits. Lightweight construction keeps the handling sharp, and the upgraded braking system provides stopping power worthy of this beast's capabilities. Features and technology. Suzuki packed this machine with tech that belongs in the future. Multiple engine maps let riders customize power delivery for different conditions. Launch control helps harness all that power off the line, while traction control can be fine-tuned or completely disabled for purists. The digital display is mud-resistant and provides critical information at a glance, including lap timing and engine diagnostics. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RMZ 1050 is absolute insanity in the best possible way. Could this be the future of high-performance off-road riding? We want to hear your thoughts in the comments. Would you dare to tame this machine? If this review got you hyped, smash that like button, share it with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more coverage of the most exciting bikes on the planet. Ride safe, and we'll catch you next time.